What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and as you guys might notice, the X3 isn't here. Now that's actually because it is already at his house. As you guys saw in the last video, me and him went and rode at Carolina Adventure World. It was a ton of fun, but it's time to do some upgrades. We have the back full of parts, and who better that knows side-by-sides than the one who destroys them all. So let's go to Kyle's house. Alright guys, well we finally made it over to Kyle's house. Kyle,
I gotta put a camera on me while I'm eating a burger.
Made it over here. We had to wash the units after Carolina Adventure World. Let's go see how dirty they still are. They don't look too bad. Got Kyle's Turbo RR. We got mine. Mine actually came out pretty good. I need to hop on the AK scene because once you ride them a few times, they do stay a little more dirty each and every time. But this machine is getting some serious upgrades today. Thanks from a little help of, SUPERATV and a few other cool companies that actually hopped on board for this build. Kind of excited. We got to pull this thing in because we're definitely not doing it out here. It's really hot today. Luke, why did it get so hot?
The greenhouse gases and the sun, and then the heat from the sun and the clouds, and so it's pretty hot.
Thanks for the science. Thanks Bill Nye. But yeah, let's get this thing pulled in. We got to start on a long journey ahead of us. All right, so we got all the boxes right here behind me. Two of the main sponsors for this build are gonna be SUPERATV and S3 POWERSPORTS. Now we do have another few companies coming in later in the build series for the street legal part of it. But for this episode, it's mainly gonna be LionParts.com, SUPERATV, and S3 POWERSPORTS. So we got a ton of parts to put on this machine, so we need to get into it. Luke, I'm not ready to do this because it's gonna take all day.
How to put anything like shit in here. I'm talking.
Ow.
Listen, I don't know how to put any of these parts on, so I'm just gonna watch you. That kind of hurt.
Damn, Kyle. Should we unbox everything? Hey, ooh, yo, it's pretty sick. Dude, you be rubbing and racing.
And it can honk.
You can't honk.
You can't honk, but we can imagine you can. You can add the effect, watch.
Oh, you missed the Vibe pink shirt day today.
I know, I was about to point that out. I was like, dang it, I missed my SUPERATV. Send me out a pink shirt. Come on now.
Is this a surfboard?
Dude, it's blue. Why is it blue? No, I'm just kidding. The attack of the weed whacker. 336 the gang. Right there.
66-3 the gang.
I honestly ordered this a little time ago, and so I'm kind of curious what's all in here. These are probably one of my favorite things Kyle had on his first unit. So bright. Ooh. These are the side mirrors, but they're super bright, like LED pods, and they are brighter than anything ever. The best invention since sliced bread is the easy door handles on the X3s. They got Uno Mas box, and I know exactly what this is. From the boys out at S3 POWERSPORTS. Hooked it up with these radius rods. They're high clearance, billet. They're durable as shit. So we're gonna have to put them to the test. These things are probably really pretty. Oh, we also have another box, Kyle, that's not around right now. These match something.
Huh?
These will match something.
Oh yeah. Dude, I was about to say they're silver. They're not gonna match, but they will.
Woohoo! That's actually pretty sick.
Let me see that. Let me see. Oh, that. Ooh. S3?
All right, let's open the big boy.
Ooh.
Oh my God, these are huge. We're gonna start putting parts on. I'm gonna get these finished unwrapping because it's taking forever. So Kyle's already started. So I'm gonna go help, and I'll see you in the montage. Hey!
Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Watch the clock tick tock while it hit the road. Young tips on the stereo, good as gold. Homies by my side, you already know. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Yeah. Who's got time to be negative anymore? Who's got time to be negative anymore? Pause for a moment. We're young, but we gon' get it. Work ethic to the roof, then Nike couldn't even do it. My attitude is groovy. I swear I'm never down, cause my mind is.
Alright, so what I'm having to do here is match up the new radius rods to the old radius rods. Now they come adjustable, so you can adjust them any which way you want to. But we're just gonna go with the stock spec. These are actually, if you guys can see this, a little more beefy, just a little bit more. We got the custom engraved S3 POWERSPORTS. That laser engraved, super nice, brushed finish. It is gonna be super sick looking on the back of this machine. Now we've got a few other parts that are like this right here, and then the white tree kickers is really gonna kick it off well. So I'm excited to get these all done and move on to the next.
Who's got time to be negative anymore? Pause, ain't had enough, we had enough. That's the music getting loud. Blast out the speakers so other worlds hear us. There's alien creatures, try not chill with us. Yeah, living life like a sleeping dog. Dreaming of dreams, cause that's what dreamers do. Follow your dreams, you better listen, yo. With my homie Brand Chaz, yeah, we're coming through.
Alright guys, so we have one of the tree kickers on right now. The winch is on. I don't know if the button's installed or not. And we finally got the radius rods all put together in the rear, and it is looking great. Now we have a few more parts left to go, more than a few to go, so we're gonna get cracking. Kyle, tell us what we're doing. What's the plan?
All right, here is the plan. We just got off the phone with our boys in Minnesota, so we planned our road trip. So we gotta get our side-by-side together, so now we're amped up. I'm hungry, so we gotta get this shit together, because Miller's gonna go buy me Outback. But here's the plan. I'm gonna put this side skirt on, Miller's gonna put that door on, then I'm gonna go over there to wire the winch, so he's gonna put this door on, and then while I'm done doing the winch, I'm gonna wire the side lights, he's gonna do the side lights, I'll have the wires ready for him, he'll start putting the tires on, I'll put the windshield on, it sounds great, I'm starving. What? Why are you pointing at me?
Steer wheel.
I'm not doing that shit,
That'll
that's
be
a you problem.
We got it.
That's a you problem.
Mine will be way easier, hopefully.
So then, I do something fun at the end though. If you don't watch my videos, you're a loser. If you do, you already know about the handbrake, but if you don't, we got a handbrake in this John. Just do drifty drifts. It's a lot of fun. And I got these tires for cheap, so I don't care about burning them off. So we'll get to that in a little bit.
Look how much stuff. This is a lot of stuff. A lot more stuff than I thought it was gonna be. But we're working on it. It's getting there. The white looks a little goofy right now, but it's gonna look good. You just gotta hold out. Wait for the vision to come together, because it's gonna be sick. So, first mod, first side of this door is complete. We did the lower door. New door bags, looks sick. We got one more little ring to do. You run the big pads right here for your knees, just because the door handle hits it, but man, listen to this. Ooh, look, it doesn't open anymore. So now you just, boom. Oh, so nice. It's like a G-Wagon door now. Now we gotta move on to the other door, because I think Kyle's done with the You done with your thing?
Yeah, I've been done, cuz.
We're gonna do over there. So these tree kickers look insane. I actually got them white for a specific reason. We'll find out in the next build video. But I got these white sent out from S3 POWERSPORTS as well as the rear radius rods, and they are bulletproof. So we got to test them out in the next video, see how these things hold up. I know the white might stain a little bit, but you know, it's all part of the vision. You just gotta trust the process. So we got to do this door. Got to knock out this door, lower door guards, the bags, and the handle, because the handle is prime. We'll knock that out in a montage, and we'll see you in a second. Kyle, what are you, Kyle? What are you doing, bro?
Miller, I got it all.
Bro,
Look, now it's quick detach. Well, just no hander. What do you think?
I
couldn't get it. I figured if I just cut it, we just glue the new one on.
Oh, that'll work. Yeah. So how are you planning on taking that off there?
I don't know. I mean, I got it this far. Just hold it upside down. Just leave it upside down.
Well, you turn left now.
That's fine. You go left, you go right. I figured I'd just keep cutting until I get to the metal and I get heated up. I couldn't heat it up because of the plastic.
I believe Kyle read this online, but I'm glad we're trying it out on mine before we know it works. But yeah, I think all we have left is a windshield, a middle seat bag, and the steering wheel. So I'm kind of hyped. We're almost done. So stay tuned because we're almost there. These mirrors actually came out so sick. They're so bright. And of course, Kyle got the beautiful winch done too. I'm so excited.
Ow!
Kyle!
I got off.
Where's it at? Touch it?
Touch it. Touch it. Hot as shit. I was heating it up and it literally just bounced off. Like literally, it bounced off and dunk. Oh shit! I burned your seat a little bit. Like the littlest little freaking.
All right, so now we just got to get the new one on, and then we're windshield, and then we're like,
give me your steering wheel.
and just like that, we are finally done building the side-by-side for now. But before we go and take it for a ride, as you guys can see, it's nighttime. He was like, I'm done until I eat. So I had to go feed him real quick, and now we are finally done. But I'm not gonna do the official reveal until tomorrow. I'm gonna come back over here because I'm gonna get some nice video and photos for you guys so you guys can enjoy it as much as I can. And if you guys see it in person, you'll be able to check out how clean this build is coming out. Kyle's a little skeptical on the white down here, but I told him to trust the process because we are doing some other little white accents. Got the doors totally complete. So nice having that instead now. And the steering wheel. This is probably one of my favorite things because this is like honestly what you touch the most when you're in a side-by-side. And I'm really curious to see how this windshield acts. Now these side marker lights, line parts hooked it up for those. These things are so bright. You don't even need a light bar. And this thing does look kind of funny without a roof. We're waiting on Kyle to get his because he's supposed to get an audio roof from Can-Am and we are still waiting on it. We don't know when it's going to come in, but I really need a roof, so I might just send it and buy a roof. Also, there is a few more parts that we haven't installed just yet, but we're gonna wait on those for the next build series. Now, as well as the tree kickers and the radius rods, they are from S3. These things look beefy as crap. Also, all my big parts like the doors, the windshield, and a few other miscellaneous parts are from SUPERATV, so you guys need to check them out as well. But we are gonna slap on the tires, go take it for a test spin tonight. Not gonna show you guys just yet, and then show you guys in the morning when I come back over. Kyle, you ready to be done? Yeah. Well guys, it is the next day and we finally can see the unit in the daytime, but we're actually at Outback for the next videos you guys will see in a few days. But man, these parts are looking insane. I'm just looking at them now. I'm gonna cut it to a montage for you guys, but man, this unit is looking freaking crisp. It needs the rest of the parts. I only built half of it right now, and then we're gonna knock out the rest next week. We got some lighting upgrades, some more cosmetic upgrades, and a little bit of performance upgrades. So gotta stay tuned for the part 2 of the build. It's gonna be making this thing street legal. It's gonna be pretty sick. It is so beautiful. So I'm gonna cut it to a montage, and then we're gonna end out the video. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, this build video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I hope you guys subscribe so that way we can hit 100K before the end of the year. All right, I'll see you in a second, guys.
Touch of what's illegal. Been at my spot for way too long. Let's fly out, call your people, let's go out and blow some song. Middle of the road, nobody know my name, no, that's okay. I'm just soaking in the life I made, yo.
Why does this look like a crime scene, Kyle? Anyways, guys, tell me what you guys think so far of the build. We got the S3 POWERSPORTS tree kickers. We got the steering wheel. We got the beautiful mirrors. These things are so sick and so bright. Awesome windshield that we needed. And you already know we had to get some radius rods for the 64-inch. I think the thing that Kyle broke the most on his 64 was those radius rods. And man, you need to upgrade them as soon as you get these units because they first thing that break. But like I said, guys, if you guys would like this video, if you're ready for part 2 of this build series, leave a like. We got some really cool stuff coming. We got a few more parts that will really set this build off, and I might have to just commit and buy the full roof myself. But if you guys would, leave a like, a comment, subscribe as always, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And you know what? Make it a goal to make someone smile this weekend. But I'll see you guys later. Peace out.